In a compact home kitchen, a humble toaster oven becomes a studio, turning kitchen scraps into three distinct meals. The first dish layers sliced sourdough with roasted tomatoes, basil, and a whisper of olive oil for a bright starter. Second, leftover potato skins get crisped with herbs and cheese, creating a savory mini pie that wows guests. Third, wilted greens and carrot tops are blitzed into a quick topping, then baked over a cheesy, veggie-filled pocket. This tiny trio saves waste by composting scraps afterward, closing the loop for a greener kitchen.